step through that. So that's G, C7, D7. And it's Hound Dog. So you go from G to C7 to G. Just hit it right. It's kind of hard sometimes because you want to slide right back up to that fret and lay in the rest of the diamond for G. And D7 is just to move up or down, as you may see it. So it's fast tempo. And if you're working with a vocalist, you're going to have to adjust the time because it's more important to cover the words than to just count, which is all I'm really doing. Just counting it out. And then you get to the verse. Well, they said you was high class. Well, that was just a lie. Well, you went never called a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Just like that.